starting to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
There the police right there.
I'm not even holding all way to the corn. I got something to do.
What do I do for this one? I don't know why I look like that. And that is how you put some freshly rolled buttered corn into the grill. Hello everybody and happy 4th of July. I've been cooking all day, shopping, and now I'm finna give y'all a little haul of the stuff we got from the store. But first let me get my hair together because family's over and I'm not trying to look a mess. So let me fix my hair. But I know it's been a couple weeks since I posted another video. Sorry y'all, the fire alarm or the smoke detector went off. But back to what I was saying. So yeah, it's been a really bittersweet week for me because I have to go to one of my classmates' funeral tomorrow. But I'm not gonna record that because of respecting privacy of the family and stuff. But how have y'all been? It hasn't even been that long, but I'm gonna be honest, I was not finna sit up here and look at myself with a blurry camera on. I'm sorry. Let's go to the next clip. So we got this meat for the greens cooking, and then we got the seasoned meat. So then we got all these, and then we got these trimmed green beans for only $6.
That should be good.
We got all this.
Oh, of course you got the chicken out there.
That looks so good. So, I don't know why this broken, but so now my dog is over there. I don't know why she's over there. Okay, so I had to tie my hair down, y'all, but I'm gonna go up the street to tell the candy lady happy 4th of July because she let my auntie for us. So I'm gonna go up there, but I'm not gonna record the inside because she don't like when folks like recording stuff. Well, I don't know, but yeah, I got on this black crop sweater, these blue jean shorts, and these Crocs with no socks on. But yeah, y'all don't believe what happened. I chipped my nail. Oh, not even that nail, and this one came off the other night. It hurt so bad. I couldn't have been out of breath from just 3-4 steps, gang. But I'ma see y'all when I'm gonna record when so I'm gonna record when I'm walking back to the house. And yeah, she did come to the door. I don't know why, but I don't really care. It's not my problem. But I'm walking back to the house. It's very hot. Like, it's very, very hot. But I'm gonna go take off this and then I'll talk to y'all if I come back outside. I'll show you the fireworks too, so let me show y'all that right quick, and yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. They're kind of basic fireworks, so they don't do too much, but let me start with this one. It's only like a couple things in here, but we got this jam box right here. I think like stuff like shoes out of this part right here, but this is what we're gonna be doing tonight, and this was $12.99 at Kroger. Then I got my favorite things to use or do before we like do the actual fireworks, and this the Pop-Its. I got 4 of these because I like to like go through these and stuff. So we got these right here. And then I got my sparklers. And I like these. These are fun, but like sometimes they be popping me, and I don't like that. But that's everything for that bag. Now I have to show y'all what's in this bag. Oh, you see this? This was $24.99. This has a lot of stuff in this one. They got, I don't know, but this is just like, I guess like a whole entire, it's the Color Blast pack. So yeah, this is gonna be my favorite one. Oh, let me fix y'all back. And then last but not least, we got the mini Patriot pack. I think this is the 4th of July pack. I don't know, but this is like a cute little pack or whatever. And that is everything I have for now. And we might get some more tonight. If not, then I guess I'll watch everybody else's fireworks from wherever I can see. Oh yeah, this is going to be the best 4th of July ever. All right, so now I think we about to play some music. I don't know, but I look, you want to take some pictures, but I'm gonna see what the next move is, and I'll see y'all whenever we doing something interesting, because I'm bored right now. Y'all, so we in the fireworks shop or warehouse right now, and we finna get some fireworks because I want some fireworks. So we finna get some fireworks, and I'm gonna let y'all see a few of the ones that we pick up, and then I'll see you at the checkout and get back in the car. So we've done all of our shopping, and we're about to head to the checkout. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because my phone finna die, and yeah. Okay, so we just got back from the firework warehouse, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff we got later on tonight because I'm about to take a nap right quick, and yeah, so I'll see y'all when I'm done taking my nap. It was fun while it lasted. thank you guys so much for watching my 4th of July vlog. I really hope y'all had a good time watching this video, and I hope y'all had a good time with your family for the 4th of July. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications every time I post a new video. I'm trying to get back into the habit of posting daily, or you know, maybe like weekly or monthly. And yeah, see y'all later. Bye.
Take you farther than Mexico. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.